Hello, everybody. This is Yousef, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we are going to have a very short video, and the reason is because we are going to make two of my favorite sandwiches, which goes back to when I was in school, high school actually. There was a program that we go in at 8 o'clock till 11:30. Then we had to go for a lunch, come back at 2 to 5 o'clock. Sometimes in between these hours, I would not go home and stay in school for either have a test or something to just have a more time to study. And I had to have to something, and so we go to a nearby a sandwich shop, and there was a egg sandwich and also a hot dog sandwich, which was Persian version of it, and I love those sandwiches. So I used to eat that, and I'm just gonna make those today. Also, the sandwich was going hand by hand in Iran when you go to movie. That was a thing that you have to have it. And usually next to the movie theater, there was a sandwich shop that was have a different kind of sandwich, and including these two that I'm going to make. And there was some place else is just like a deli shop. They also serve sandwiches, but they also serve alcohol like a beer or vodka. Anyway, this is going to be short because there is not too many ingredients and there is no cooking involved. And we are going right to make it. So here, the thing that I'm going to use for our sandwich, I have some eggs, which I already boiled those, and I'm going to use a couple of those. And also I have a hot dog here. We used in Iran, they didn't use anything except pickled cucumber and some of those parsley chopped, and there was no mayo, but there was some mustard, which is, I have a Dijon, but I'm not going to use it. I have it, they call, in Iran, we used to have it, and this is what I made it. They call it Russian mustard, which is a favorite of most of the Iranian when they had a sandwich. Okay, so I do have the boiled egg. I'm going to slice those here, and also the only thing that I'm going to cook right now, this is going to be these couple of these hot dogs, and the way that used to make it, as a sandwich is just used to go cutting in like a half, either open it up or just butterfly it. These are, by the way, these are our new black pepper and salt container. And now we're going to cook this like this. All right, and right away to here, just a very little bit of the oil, just a little bit of the oil, not too much, that would be enough. And as soon as it gets hot or not, I'm going to put these hot dogs in. All right. So I'm going to put this aside because we're not going to use any of those. All right, now slicing our tomato and slicing our cucumber, pickled cucumber. Here we go. Now let's go back to our hot dog to see what they are doing. All right, both sides. It's going to be ready in a second. Let's make our bread ready. And by the way, hot dog in Iran, it wasn't that much popular because it just was not long ago that it came to Iran. So is not something that everybody knew about it or likes it. Then it became a very popular. But the place that we were, it was ready. It was always there. So every day I used to see it. Then I just start, having it, and became one of my favorite. I take the extra dose here to take it out, so make it nicer for our sandwich. And it seems the hot dogs are getting ready, so I'll go and take it out from the pan and bring it over and start making our sandwich. Yep, they are ready. Turn it off. I'm taking it back there. All right, so that was the hard part of it. Now I'm going to chop some of this parsley. All right, for making a sandwich that I used to eat is they use the butter, no mayo or anything else. But it's up to you if you want to use the mayo, and so you're welcome to do that. Maybe it's going to be even better. I don't know, but just want to do what I used to eat when I was in high school, and that's what I'm making. All right, and here you go. First, then we put our sure or pickled cucumber, little bit of the parsley, chopped parsley, or tomato, and then here go eggs itself. This is as easy as you see. Here's our egg sandwiches. It's up to you if you want to put a little bit of a salt and a little bit of the pepper and anything else that you like. All right. The next one is our hot dog. Hot dog, nothing. Just a hot dog itself. That was it actually for one sandwich. And a little bit of this. Now I like to make it double. There you go. Now, I personally, as I said, like to put the mustard, not much, just a little bit, like this. This is my two favorite sandwich. Easy, simple, and at the same time, it's very delicious. I guarantee you, you're gonna love it. Make it. It's, as I said, it's so easy. You don't need any time to make this. The whole thing might take about like 10 minutes, and dinner or lunch or in between is going to be ready for you. Please subscribe if you have not done that yet, and make sure you like it, because that's the only way you can support me, by just touch the like. And till next time, with another dish. I love you all, and bye.